Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this amazing baked stuffed fish. Now let's cook. So guys, here I have my bok choy and I'm just pulling away the stalks. And guys, make sure to wash your stalks because normally there's a lot of bugs, insects and stuff in there, and also dirt. So just try to wash it with salt. Yeah, so I'm just cutting my bok choy to the size that I want. Now guys, in this skillet you want to add olive oil or whatever oil you guys have, or butter. Now I'm adding my bok choy and I'm gonna steam this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'll be adding my veggies and season. Also guys, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter just for flavor. Now guys, I'm adding my carrots and these are julienne. I'm also gonna be adding some red onions, also julienne. Then I'm gonna be seasoning with my Maggi all-purpose season. Give that a little mix and let that steam for about a minute, then we're all done. So okay guys, here I have my bass and I'm just trimming away those fins, just prepping my fish for stuffing. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Help a sister out. Also to go and follow me on Instagram, please, at Alicia's_kitchen. Now guys, I'm just slitting the sides of the fish, which is optional, just so that we can fit some seasoning there and yeah, just give it a bit more flavor. So now guys, I'm just adding some olive oil to both the inside and the outside of the fish. So okay guys, I've gathered my season. In there I have Maggi all-purpose season, Cajun season, paprika, Old Bay season, parsley, garlic and onion powder. It's, you know, it's quite a lot, but you know, my girl love her season, you know. But as you guys can tell, a girl love her season. Just look at that. I love when things are flavorful, guys. Like, I'm Jamaican, you know, so I love flavorful food. Food have to have flavor, like it just has to. Okay. So now guys, I'm placing the fish on grease foil paper. Now I'm just adding some oil just so that the fish doesn't stick to the foil while it's baking. Now guys, you want to stuff that fish with our bok choy, and in Jamaica I always use callaloo or cabbage, which are two other options you can use to stuff your fish. I haven't used anything else. I think I heard some people saying they use breadcrumbs and so forth, but yeah, I haven't tried that. I need to, so yeah. And there you have it. So now guys, I'm gonna be topping it off with some lemon slices, and this is just gonna give it that citrusy taste flavor. Just yeah. So I'm just gonna be covering it, you know, just folding that foil paper over, and I'm gonna be baking this for about 25 to 30 minutes on in a preheated oven, because you know this is fish, it has a little to no connective tissue, which means it won't take much time to bake. And there you have it guys, our fish is finally out of the oven. So beautiful and healthy, looking a bit healthy, you know. But yeah, it was so good guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Also comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.